Here's Harper. Say, I am 3 weeks old today. Oh, did I wake you? Say hello. Say, we've finished eating and now we're sleeping on mommy. Say, she wins the award for the most hair out of all of our babies. Yes, you do. All of our babies have a good bit of hair, but Harper definitely takes the cake on that one. Yes, you do. Yeah. Say, we're doing pretty good, besides the lack of sleep. Harper gets the hiccups at night, and they keep her up. See, that's just no fun, is it? And she really likes to sleep being held, is what I'm finding. I'm not sure how this habit was created. So we're kind of struggling at nighttime. I think the most sleep stretch that we get is an hour and a half to 2 hours. Say, but we'll make it through. Sweet baby. You gonna fall back asleep? No? This is just a little Harper update. Say, we eat and sleep. Nope, there's those stinking hiccups again, huh? Sweet girl. Say hi. Oh, big yawns, big yawns.